Out at 6:30. Now, you know we're flowing. Soon keep the camera rolling, cause I'm gonna keep going. He got on that Brooklyn fitted. I got the fitted cap. And I'll clap you up like they do to know you clap. Nigerian flow. Got money, call that Nigerian snow. Got 4, 5 bitches, call that Nigerian hoes. And we keep on going. You keep the camera so we keep flowing. Rick on my right, yeah, he keep it on going. Representing KU, my nigga. And we gon' do it not small but big. Yeah, we keep it going. Pittsburgh in the house, you gon' start flowing? Come on up, and let me see what you gon' do. Flow right for the Fort Worth crew. Go.
Yo, I don't flow for the camera, yo, I'm no hoe, cause I don't flow, yo, you don't wanna fucking go, cause I'm so deep in the fucking crease, cause I beat you in the ass, and I beat you in the street, cause I fucking I'm rapping, Cali shit, smoking that shit every day, smoking and a weed every day with my hay. I wanna fucking get cause I'm not high enough. Get drunk like a slick going home. Like a daisy in the chain when I'm going home. Man, I'm gonna make it rain, yo.
Oh yeah, he got that Hollywood flow. Okay. Yeah, he getting money, call it Hollywood dough. India, my boys call it Bollywood flow. Yeah, we keep on going cause he got that Pittsburgh on swole. Yeah, soon got the camera. Ricky got the case, he gon' blast ya. I got my crowd to my right, nobody on my left. And we gon' do it fresh to death. You thought I was through flowing? I'ma pass the mic to my boy Ricky, keep going. Make it rain so we keep going. AmeriCorps flow, yeah, we know we keep it going.
Keep it going, cause we always got the flowing. And every time I'm rolling, I always got the doing. So hoes be knowing what I'm all about, because everybody know the kid don't go on drought stand. I keep it wetter, everybody does it better. Not really, because you know I keep it slippy, and everybody knows really that I'm the king. Dog Phil Jackson, give me my rings, all 11 of them. I want 12. I don't really care, dog. Send me to not really. Open up them golden gates, and I don't care because, dog, at this fucking rate, I would take over every fucking state, make a new one, and you know that shit is irate, because, man, I keep the fucking pace, and everybody knows the kid got that bad face. I don't know what I'm saying, I'm just spraying lyrical rhymes, so you know what I'm saying. Every time I come around, kid got that shit dating. Down history, pass it over to my man.
You know he's gonna pass to the right, to the left. Yo, man, I don't know who's left, cause I'm gonna smoke that Cali shit, man, yeah. Cause I'm going every day like hell, yeah. I don't know how to flow with the endo. I don't know how to flow, oh no, cause I'm balling off the beat. The cameraman gotta rap like the shit. I don't know, I don't care.